Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Manwal and I am pursuing BSc IT first year batch 1 from CMH College Patna. Today my topic is file handling in C language. That topic is what is file handling? File handling is the process of creating and opening and reading, writing and closing file via C code. There are some key functions like fopen, fprintf, fscanf, fclosure. Why fopen for opening file, fprintf for formatting write, fscanf for formatting read, and fclose for closing the file. But why we need to use file handling? File handling we need for data persistence. For if a program terminate, then if you use file handling, the file data will be saved. If you want to use large type of data, then we use file handling. Portability. If want to use a phone to another devices like laptop, PC, so then we use file handling for one device to go to the another device. There are two types of file handling. First is text file and second is binary file. Our priority is the text file, but the computer priority is binary file. Computer that's working in the 0 and 1 language, but we are using human readable and ASCII characters. It's high security, it's very sensitive, but it's not so much sensitive. It's a binary code is better for the large data, but text file is not for the large data, but it's a human readable. We can easily access this text files like .txt. File opening modes. There are 4 types of modes: read mode, write mode, and append mode, and read and write mode. There are 4 types. Here is my code. Then we can how can I create a new file? Let's go to the code. Here is the code of I am creating a file. The name of BSc IT first dot. It's a in txt file type. That's why I am using. If for the file it will be created. If file not created, it's so file not created, and if file created, it's so file created successfully. In the file, I write it. Welcome to CMS College. There are 3 words using fprintf. Let's execute this program so it is created or not. Look, it shows file created successfully. But how can I know the file is created or not? So we need one more code for how to read the code, how to read a file, the text file. So I write a buffer for using words in this code, and using taking a PTR for opening BSc IT first txt file, and here is the mode R mode for read the file of read for BSc IT first txt file. I want to read, so I'm using R mode, and if file is exist, then it show that if file is not exist, it's show error, and file will exist, then it's showed and file will be open. So let's execute the program. Look, here is this is a file of BSc IT first, and in the file I write 3 words: welcome to the CMS College. Thank you. If anyone have any questions, you can ask.
What is FILE in your code?
That's a user-defined data type. It's using for making a new file and opening a new file. It depends on.
This question was different. What is file?
User-defined data type.
Capital.
A user-defined data type. It's a user-defined data type. It's a data type of a pointer.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Can you read and write data at the same time?
Yeah, we can use in this program we can here use R plus mode for read and write file in the same time. Anyone have any questions?
What is file pointer?
What is file pointer? File pointer is a pointer which is pointing a file for reading and writing purpose. Any more questions?
How can we modify a file that is already saved without deleting its data?
We can use W mode for writing a file, and we can use W mode for writing a file, and it will be executed. Then the file will not file will exist.
Actually, his question was how you can modify the content of a file without erasing the old data. So that thing we have not discussed in the class so far. I'll be talking about the fseek function tomorrow. So that then you will come to know that how we can write the data to a file. That means modify the data to inside a file without erasing the old content. Okay, so wait for tomorrow's class. Anyway, it was a good presentation from your side.